on our spring onion. Yan, yung ating leaves ng ating spring onion. Yummy. Alrighty. And then we're ready for plating. And then we're ready to serve. Okay, our freshly cooked stir-fry pork with ginger and spring onion. Wow, it is so yummy. Hi guys, it's me again, Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and today we're doing a special dish. This is for my Chinese friends. I have learned it from my Chinese friend also. This is Chinese stir-fry pork with ginger and spring onion. Yan, medyo mahaba yung title ng ating gagawin today. But basically, it's just baboy na may dahon ng sibuyas at saka may luya. So let me just start with introducing to you the ingredients. Of course, ang ating main ingredient, yung ating pork. Pork ay lean meat sliced in a flattened way ng pag-slice. Ayan, medyo manipis. Ayan. And then, we also have our soy sauce, and then our oyster sauce, and our vegetable oil. And of course, yung ating salt and pepper. And then, we have 2 batches of our cornstarch. We have 2 batches. This is for our marinade, and then the other one for our slurry. And then we have our red onion, and then we also have a ginger, our garlic, and then our calamansi or lemon, our spring onion, and then our tomato. Ayan. Okay, these are the complete ingredients that we're going to use for our menu for the day. It's Chinese stir-fry pork with ginger and spring onion. Right, see you in a bit. Stay tuned. Right, first is we have to marinate our pork. Right, we just squeeze in our lemon. Right, and then I'll just put in our salt and pepper. Yan po yung ating black pepper, and then yung ating salt, I mix it together, 1 teaspoon each. I just put in, and then this is 2 tablespoons soy sauce, so I'll just put in half of it. Alright, so I mentioned earlier the 2 parts of cornstarch, so I put in the first part of the cornstarch. Yeah, so this will thicken your marinade pork, yung cornstarch, yan. Okay. And then, yeah, we just give it a mix. And then we just leave it and set it aside. And we just will start stir frying with other ingredients. Alrighty. We're doing Chinese stir fry pork with ginger and spring onion. Alright, next step is we just put in our vegetable oil. Okay. Ayan, kailangan lang mainit yung inyong vegetable oil. You just wait for a bit. Ayan, ang init ng ating oil. We just put in our red onion, our sibuyas. We just give it a mix, like that. And our garlic. Yes. Garlic, we just leave it until it's a bit of a golden brown. Next to this is our ginger. Righty. Okay, kailangan niyang mag-isa para lumabas yung kanyang amoy. Ayan. Mas mabango, mas masarap. Just add in also yung ulo ng ating spring onion. Ulo ng ating dahon ng sibuyas. Okay. I'll add on my tomato. Ready? And then, at this point, we will add on our marinated pork. Okay? Then we'll just give it a mix. Okay, I'll add on our soy sauce. Okay, then our oyster sauce. And then a cup of hot water. Okay. Sometimes it depends on kung gusto nyo medyo masos ang inyong stir fry pork, you just add on more water. Okay. And then we just leave it. We will leave it for a few minutes. Let the meat to tender. Ayan. Okay, we'll adjust it the yung apoy natin into medium. Alrighty. Okay, we'll leave it for a few minutes and then I'll see ya. Alrighty. After a few minutes, let's check. Yan, ganyan na po ang itsura ng ating stir-fry pork. Ayan. Okay. And then, on our spring onion. Ayan, yung ating leaves ng ating spring onion. Alright. And then, I just add the slurry. Okay. Just a bit. I want my sauce to be thickened. Ayan. Okay. Yeah, and we have our stir-fry pork with ginger and spring onion. And look at that, it is so yummy. Alrighty, and then we're ready for plating, and then we're ready to serve. Alrighty, thank you for watching, guys. Okay, our freshly cooked stir-fry pork with ginger and spring onion. Wow, it is so yummy. Stir-fry pork with ginger and spring onion. Yeah, and here's another recipe that you could easily cook for your family and for your loved ones. Right, I'm happy to share with this food, with this recipe to all of you. And if you liked it, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And please click the bell button for you to be notified on the upcoming videos. Alright, I'll see you again next time. Thank you so much. I love you, bye.